Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here.
I am super excited about this one here. It's been a long time coming. I wanted to make this video reveal to you guys my baby's room. I absolutely love everything in this room, but this room literally brings me peace. Like, I absolutely love it. Does my baby sleep here every day? No, he does not. However, I try to put him in here as much as I can. I know that last time, if you watched my video, I mentioned that this is the boys' room. However, Zion does not sleep in here. Zion still sleeps with us. I'm not ready. I don't know. I can't even find a bed that I really like for him. That's where we begin, because I can't make up my mind on the type of bed that I want. And even if I get the bed, it's like I feel like it would just be too much, and then this wouldn't even feel like a nursery anymore. So for the time being, this will be a nursery, and it's only baby Isaiah's nursery. Obviously Zion can come in here and play because a lot of their toys, their clothes, everything is in here. So yeah. But anyways, I'm super excited to show you guys. Oh, where do I begin? Okay, let's start with this side here. So starting over here, we have this crib here that I absolutely love. It is from Amazon. Like I said, he does not sleep in here through the night. However, he does sleep in here throughout the day. I will go ahead and put him in here, and he sleeps pretty good. But yeah, I absolutely love this. If I have a link, I will link it down below. It's been a while since we got it, but I love this crib. And if you haven't figured out by the time we're done with this room, the theme is really white and wood. Literally, that's the theme of this room. I absolutely love the warm tones and the clean, and it makes sense. So at the top here, this is like literally my favorite thing in this room. Okay, one of my favorites. I feel like I love everything, but it's my baby's name. I saw it on Instagram and I've been stalking their page. I ordered and it came. I absolutely love it. Again, it's wooden. I love it. So that is that. And then next over here, we have their little bookshelf thing going on here. Well, I haven't gotten many books really. I'll probably add like 2 more books for them here. I feel like it's at a right height where Zion can still reach it, you know, without missing it or anything. And the guy that helped us put this together, he really secured into the wall, so that way it doesn't, like, it can come off easily. So yeah, this right here is from IKEA. I thought about adding another one at the top there. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to have 2 and just have like one there and then another one at the top on the side there, so that way you can kind of just complete it, because I feel like the wall it's just blank. Like it needs something, although I don't want to put too many things either, but I feel like that won't make it too much. And then on this side here, we have their little basket. This is a toy basket that I got from Amazon, I believe, and we just have a couple of toys in there. But yeah, that is that. Again, something is missing, so this room is 95% done. The only thing missing is really just the curtains. Moving on to this side here, I absolutely love, this is literally like Instagram, like I love this side so much. Yeah, I've been eyeing this mirror for the longest from Target, and I'm so happy I got it. I finally got it to put in this room, and it really just makes sense there. Be cute there. But yeah, and then we have the changing thing here. I absolutely love this. I actually bought it in it came like in a set. Not really a set. I bought it separately though, but I bought it from this one store, if that makes sense. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but I bought it. I absolutely love this. Do I change him in here? No. I've done it before. I do get him dressed in here from time to time. It's not every day. Whenever I feel like it, I'll come and bring him here and then dress him on up in here. But what I use this for, I will show you guys later on what I use it for. So here we just have their regular schmurgular IKEA little storage that we've had ever since our last place. This used to be the girls' drawer thing for their clothes. So yeah, that's where I'm just putting the kids, the baby's clothes, and then Zion's clothes are the two on the bottom over there. And then moving on to this side here, we have this little, I think they call it the Moses Bassinet with the stand. When I was pregnant, guys, like literally even before, when I had Zion, actually before having Zion, I think that's when they were very popular, around that, 2020, 2019, 2020, I don't know, but that's when I saw them a lot, and I wanted one so badly, and it just happened that God was like, okay, you're gonna get it this time, and I made sure to get it. He does not use it though. He literally used this for like maybe 2 months, and that was it. He does not sleep in there. But yeah, I don't know, but the kids, maybe the girls will use it. If not, I can always give it to someone as well who'll be interested. But I absolutely love this. It's so cute. It's just different, and I love it. And then we have his little diaper bag in there. It's literally one of my favorite as well. So this one is my favorite. That one is my favorite, and then the name is also my favorite, and then the crib. Okay, everything is my favorite, guys. But I love this corner. Initially, we had these little animals on them, right? We had, let me show you. We had the panda, this little rabbit here. I thought, you know what? Let me just change this around and put some, Bible verses and actually put the baby's pictures. So I went with this one. This first one says, it's Psalm 139:14. It says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And then there's my baby who is fearfully and wonderfully made. He's so cute. And his little onesie has like the blue tint on it, so it just made perfect sense. Baby boy blue, I love it. So there goes my baby Isaiah. And then over here we have Jeremiah 1:5, which says, I am set apart for his glory. I absolutely love that. That is all, all my children, they're set apart for his glory. They are fearfully and wonderfully made. All the children of the world, all of us. In fact, all of us. But yeah, I love this little corner here. It brings everything together for me. It's just so cute. And then that corner over there, and there I am. Hello. And then over here we have this little play gym here, which he uses on the regular. So let me show you what I actually do with the little changing mat. So I usually just put him in here. I usually just put this one underneath here, and then I put him inside, and then he just plays with the little these little toys here, and he loves to play with these. He absolutely loves to play with this until he's like tired and no longer wants to play with them. But for the most part, he enjoys his little playtime over here. And I got this from Amazon as well. Anything that I can still find, I will link it down below. But yeah, this was from an Instagram store. I'll also link it down below if I can still find it. But I love. And then the back there, I didn't know where I wanted to put this. This was one of the first things I got, because I knew that I wanted something like wooden, but I still don't know where I can put this, so I just left it there. That's a little ruler. It's like, to check their height and stuff. That's cute. It's from Amazon, but I don't have a specific place for it. And obviously here we have their closet, which is a mess. I haven't done much in this closet, so I don't think I'm gonna share that. The rug is from Amazon, and I don't know. I was just thinking if I really wanted this rug, but I feel like it kind of ties everything in together. Just the black and the white. I mean, the black really just makes a statement somehow, and I love it. I'm not mad at it. I actually like it like this. So yeah, I do not have a rocker. Like I said, we don't spend much time in here. If we spend time, it's really just to get him dressed, and you know, I have him playing over there. But that's, you know, most of what we do in here. I didn't feel the need for a rocker. We could have probably put it here, but I mean, literally, it was just spending money for nothing. Because I feel like the room is already tight. I didn't want it to be tight. I wanted to feel airy. I wanted to feel light and beautiful. So last but not least, we have this little lion rocker. And we chose lion because obviously he's a Leo. He was born August 12th. So yeah, I absolutely love it so much. And it has his name there, Isaiah. K, and K is for King Isaiah. Alright guys, so I realized that I did not close out on this vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I will see you in my next video very, very soon by the grace of God. Love y'all. Bye.